Hi everyone. Today topic is task scheduling problem using greedy method. So introduction. Task scheduling is a problem where multiple tasks must be arranged in an order to achieve the best result. Here best result means maximum profit, minimum completion time and efficient resource usage. Okay. Greedy method solves this by making the best choice at each step without reconsidering previous decision. This is the basic idea of greedy method. We apply this method to solve this task scheduling problem. So basic idea of greedy approach, this the current moment which one is best solution, take that solution and add it to the schedule if possible. Move to the next best task, repeat until all tasks are processed. Okay, this is the greedy idea behind this task scheduling problem. Okay, here these are the actual step behind this. So first collect task. So tasks are job. Okay, these are the tasks T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. 5 tasks are there. So after sorting, based on the highest priority, we are sort all the jobs based on the priority, highest priority to lowest priority. In descending order, arrange, sort all the jobs or task. Okay, this is the second step. So pick the best task first. So which task has highest priority, then choose this task first. Okay, then can the next task fit, check the feasibility. Okay, if the particular time slot is available, then we schedule the second task in this particular time slot. Okay, so many time slots are there, so each job have some deadline. So time slot is available, based on the deadline we schedule that job in one by one. Okay, then continue greedy selection. Finally, we schedule T3 first based on the highest profit, then T1, then T5. Finally, we schedule these three tasks to get the maximum profit. Okay, final optimization schedule is T3, T1, T5. So, then we will discuss on example. Okay, so these are the given data. Okay. So normally the problem contain this data. Some jobs are available. Each job contain profit and some deadline. Clear? So here already the jobs are in sorted order based on the highest profit. Okay, based on the profit value, the jobs are in descending order. In some cases, in the given problem, not in the particular proper order, means first we sort the all jobs based on the profit value. Okay, highest priority to lowest priority. Here no problem, already jobs are sorted in particular order. Okay, so these are the 5 jobs, these are the profit, these are the deadlines. Okay, just jobs are sorted in descending order of profit. Then next step, so what is the maximum deadline here? So just check it out in the problem. What is the maximum deadline is there in the given problem? The deadline is, so two job have the deadline 2, another 2 job 3, one job have the deadline 1. So maximum is 3, right? So this is the maximum deadline of this problem. Okay, the maximum deadline is 3. So create time slot 1 to 3 here. So time slots are 1, 2, 3. So based on the maximum deadline, we fix the time slot likewise. Then step 3, schedule jobs one by one based on the greedy method. Okay, so okay, here all jobs are there. Okay, in descending order of the profit value. So each job contain profit and a deadline. So check the time slot initially. So what is the deadline of the maximum profit job? The deadline is 2, right? So initially all the time slots are free. So no problem, just schedule job 1 in the time slot 2. Okay, in time slot 2, place job 1 in time slot 2. So the profit is 20. Clear? The profit of the job 1 is 20. Then next, check the next profit, highest profit job. So here as the deadline is 2, right? but the deadline the time slot 2 already filled, already scheduled for job 1. We cannot schedule this job 2 in that same time slot, right? So the particular job 2 deadline is 2, so we can we can schedule this job in time slot 2, otherwise time slot 1, right? So we cannot exceed this time deadline. We can complete the job within the deadline 2, otherwise we complete early. It is possible, right? But we cannot exceed the deadline. Clear? So if the deadline 2 is already scheduled for another one job, means we check it out the previous time slot. So what is the previous time slot? 1, right? So just check it out. 1 is free. Yes. Now the time slot 1 is free. The place job 2 in slot 1. Clear? So what is the profit of job 2? That is 15. So 20 plus 15, the total profit is here 30, right? 20 plus 15, total profit is 35 here. Then job 3 is profit 10, deadline 1. So we check it out, the deadline 1, but deadline 1 is already filled with the job 2, right? So in this case, in job 3, complete within the deadline, right? 1. So we cannot schedule job 3 anywhere, right? We cannot exceed the deadline period, right? Deadline. So we cannot place job 3 because job only one time slot is possible here, but that time slot is already allocated for the job 2. So check on field cannot place job 3, just skip it. The profit maintained same here because we cannot schedule any job in this step number 3. Then step number 4, next highest profit job is job number 4. Then what is the deadline? Deadline is 3. Then check it out, time slot 3 is available. Yes, free. Then place job J4 in slot 3. Okay. So what is the profit of job number 4? That profit is 5. Okay. So 35 plus 5. What is the value? That is 10. 35 plus value. Now the maximum profit is 40. Then finally, next highest profit is J5. So the deadline is 3. 3 already filled, right? 3 already filled. Then we can check the previous slot. 2 already filled. Then check the previous one. 2, 1. 1 already filled. So we cannot place job 5. So this is the final solution. So only 3 time slot is available. Based on this resource, we schedule these 3 jobs, J2, J1, J4, based on the greedy method to get the maximum profit. So final profit is 40. So this is the task scheduling problem using greedy method. Okay. So what is the first? Find the maximum deadline from the given data. So we create the time slot 1 to the maximum deadline. Okay. Then arrange all the jobs based on the highest profit. So first take the highest profit job in the time slot. We schedule that job first. So if the particular job deadline is 2 means something means we check it that deadline first. If already scheduled for any other job means just check it out the previous time slot, but we cannot exceed that deadline. Okay, so we can complete early. It is possible, right? So based on this, we fill the job one by one. So we cannot schedule the particular job in the deadline means just skip that job, skip that step and move with the next one. Okay, clear? So this is the final time schedule. These are the time slot and these are the scheduled jobs. So optimal job sequence is J2, J1, J4. In the particular time slot, if we add the job in the particular order, J2, J1, J4 means we can add the highest profit, maximum profit, that is 40 here. So greedy choice visual here, so short job by profit. Pick highest profit job first, place in latest possible slot before deadline, that is important. So place it latest possible slot first. If not possible, move to next. Just skip that job and move to next job. Repeat until all jobs are checked. Get optimal profit. Clear? If you have any doubt, write it in the comment section. Thank you.